It was one raging fire which displaced 16 people, but it started in a house that was condemned and supposed to be empty, even though there were people still inside. Christina Papa with how it started and what neighbors whose homes were damaged think about it.
Flames lit up the sky Sunday morning as a blaze broke out in this condemned duplex on McKinley Street in Hazleton.
Yeah, this fire, this was probably in my years as chief, probably one of the biggest fires I've seen that have fire rapidly growing as quick as it did and extending as quick as it did.
Chief Donald Leschko says the fire spread quickly to the houses on each side of the building. Now 16 people in all have been displaced because of the fire. John Steiner lives next door to the wreckage. He blames more than just close location for the damage to his home. He says he saw lights on in the building just 2 weeks ago.
I said someday that building is going to burn because it's being left there too long. Sure enough, it did. So I expected it.
For years, several neighbors have complained about the boarded up apartment building.
And there's been people in and out, I would call them slum bums, in and out for the last 7 years since the place has been condemned.
Now the homeowners think that shingles from the abandoned building next door may have fallen onto their home, starting the fire here. Today they came back to get some of their valuables, but they say everything in this room will have to go. And while John has done his best to take out all his valuables, residents on the other side of the condemned building had property stolen from their home shortly after the blaze. John says Hazleton's gone downhill, and he doesn't plan to move back in anytime soon. Firefighters say the damage to the condemned building is so bad they're planning to tear it down with the help of the out-of-state property owner.
And we're going to be working with the property owner to get that structure taken down due to the amount of damage. The building's just structurally unsound and unsafe.
As of this afternoon, the state fire marshal says the cause of the blaze is undetermined, but is still under investigation. Christina Papa, News 13, Hazleton.